How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guide channel, and today's video is going to be an update on old Tom RAMBLERS69 appreciation group build, and let's see, it'll be a shout out and some mail calls. And so before we get this started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. I'll never ask you for a dime, guys. Never. Only thing I ever ask for is support everyone in our community. Or good old modeling community. Well, it doesn't matter if it's models or not. It could be RC. It could be the die-cast community, the military, the figure painters, the shipbuilders. I mean, you know, it don't matter, guys. Anyone in our big YouTube community, support them. And if I ever mention anybody in my videos, there is always a link below in the description. So go through there, click on everybody that I mentioned, go over there, subscribe to them if you're not already subscribed to them. And I always do that on every video, guys. My big deal is this is the best community ever, and I want to support as many people as I can. Might not be able to watch every video all the time. I get behind so much, and it is what it is. Of course, y'all's going to be the same way. Once you get so many, you just can't help it. But I do try. I do try to keep up and get there when I get there, guys. Love you, appreciate you, and thank you. If it wasn't for you, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. Yes, sir, would not. All right, before we get to the old Tom's group build here, I'm going to, let's do this first. I got a mail call from my buddy Rob from up in Michigan there, old Robert Gregg. Everybody knows him. Yes, sir. And he will have a link in the description below as well. But he was on vacation. And he sent me this. It's even got my name on it. Look at that. Sean. Old Sasquatch right there. It's Sasquatch keychain. Is that not cool? I love it. He knows that me and the buddies at work, my buddies around here, we've had a Bigfoot group for about, 11, 12 years now. We go twice a year. We go during the fall and we go during the spring. We call it our Squatch Camp. And we go looking for Bigfoot. And, well, we haven't technically seen one yet, but, with the right stuff, you might see one, if you know what I mean. But yeah, thank you, Rob. That's awesome. Yeah, our Squatch camps, man, they're fun. They're a hoot. Man, we get our side-by-sides, four-wheelers out. We ride all over the mountains, everywhere. We have a good time. We eat good. We get stupid. And that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about, you know. Everybody's so serious when it's deer camp time. And that's all about getting the deer, I understand. But this is just our time to unwind. We do that twice a year. And any of you guys, any of my buddies, Rob, any of you guys that ever make it down to Arkansas, peak season here, when it's time, I'll be taking you. All right. Now then. Well, before I do this one, I want to thank my good buddy Donnie Yager. He sent me a couple of model kits for my 10-year-old niece. And we sat down and we built those today. So if you'll stick around at the end of this video, I'll show the pictures of her with her two builds she's done. And thank you, Donnie. Really appreciate it, brother. Donnie Yager, my buddy from California. You don't have a YouTube channel, but we've been correspondents for a long time now. We do a lot of trading, just whatever, just going back and forth. Great guy. Love him to death. Thank you, Donnie. And she appreciates it. Now then, let's do a channel shout out. I just happened to be sitting there today when I had a little bit of time, and this guy comments on my post, and I was like, I've never seen that guy before. So I went and checked him out. He only had 4 subscribers, and he is in the Porsche group build, hosted by BG, Chucky, and Lucas C. Any of y'all watching this, y'all need to go check him out. I don't know if y'all have seen him or not. Like I said, he's got 5 subscribers now. That's me. Get over there and check Joe out. It's the Outpost 31 Model Works. Outpost 31 Model Works. Joe. I will leave his description below. He is doing a Porsche rally car for the Porsche group build. I think he has a couple of videos for the 48-hour group build guys. He don't have very many videos at all, but he is brand new to the community. I mean, I'm the 5th subscriber. Please, everybody that's listening to me, get over there and subscribe to him. Welcome him into the community. All right, I think that is all the things I have. Tony Lancer, I finally got my butt around to putting your little wheel inserts and stuff in the mail so that you can complete that kit you wanted to complete. Brother, I got you hooked up. Should be getting it sometime, I don't know, over the weekend or early next week. But I got you taken care of, Tony. Love you. All right, let me shut my mouth, turn you around here, and show you old Rambler's progress. And stick around at the end for my niece's build. Well, here we are at the bench, guys. As you can see right there in front of you, that is the model I chose to build. It was the AMT Customizing Series 1949 Mercury from like 1980 something. There's the side there. You can see all the options and everything it comes with. See right there, 1987 on the box. All right, let's chunk that out of the way and show you what I've got going on. I don't know, I can't remember the last time if this was in paint or not, but she's in paint now. Ink of gold. All right, I Frenched the headlights. Roll pan, I can't remember if y'all seen that or not. The taillights are going to be Frenched. The aerials, the antennas are going to be Frenched. As you can see the idea I'm going with. It will have a white firewall. All the insides there will be white. The underneath the car is going to be white. This is going to be a show car, guys. This is going to be a 50s, 60s style show car. So, it's going to be kind of period correct in ways, and I mean, it's going to be a show car. So it's going to have a white underneath, red chassis. The old Chrysler engine's going to be red. I'm going to wire it up. Let's see. Of course, the white walls. I've showed y'all this, I think, and these are the hubcaps that I will be, well, if I can get them on there. These are the hubcaps I've chosen. Those are going to be the custom hubcaps on the car. And let's put it up to it and let you kind of get an idea here. Look how sexy that is going to be. Oh, yeah. I get this thing done. I'm going to button this thing up here when I get back from New York. And I'll ship that out to Tom when I get done. The interior has the actual felt carpet. I kind of did this. I really wanted this to look like, a kid. Say Tom. Say old Tom. Say he was 10 years old and he was building this, or 13, 14, and he put the carpet in it. Yeah, I'm trying to stay period correct to the time. Look at the shifter, the seats, the console. Yeah, the white underneath, Let's see. I think I painted the drive shaft chrome. Boom, sorry about that. Chrome drive shaft. Let's see. The gas tank's going to be chrome. I'm going to have the trunk opened up. It's going to have the spare tire back there. It's going to have chrome tools. It's going to have the red carpet back there. I'm going to get a gas can and a water can to put back there. Let's see. What else can I tell you about this thing? Well, I don't know if there's really a lot to tell you. The dash is not done yet. I'm just doing some detailing. I still got to detail up those panels, or the instrument panels a little bit, and then put the clear over them to make it look like glass. Here's part of the exhaust with the, whatever you call them, cherry bomb or thrush, whatever them things are, mufflers. I mean, guys, I'm even going to have chrome shocks. I chromed them. Yeah, I really don't know what else to tell you. Here's the steering wheel. Well, y'all kind of get the idea of what I'm doing here. Here is the top. You can see I have put a, what do you call that, to where it's got a pattern to the top, to where it looks like it's actually like a canvas or vinyl top. If you look, it's got the white, and it is textured. I textured it. And that will be the Carson top, because y'all know I chopped the top, cut the top off of that. And this is the Carson top from the 49 or 50 model Ford. The original issue 50. And there you go. You see that with the Carson top? Let's see. Let's move this thinner out, or whatever, out of the way. Look at there. Well, if I can get it there. Boy, I tell you. Look at there. Boy, I suck. There you go. See that? Man, tell me that's not going to be badass. You ain't even going to see the back tire. You're going to see just a little bit of tire. You're just going to see that. It's going to be a tail dragger. All right, guys. Tell me what you think about it in the description below. Tom, I hope you love it. When it's done, it's going to you, whether you like it or not. Love you, brother. Appreciate you. You deserve this. All right, guys. Everybody I mentioned in the description will be there below. Please check out my niece, her 2 builds at the end of this. Like I said, everybody I mentioned, check them out. Like, share, and subscribe. Love you. Bye.